Namaste. So my dear friends, today's the topic is about the preparation for the Polytechnic entrance examination. This is one of the most important preparation which every student must try to do. Every student, whether you are willing to enter or not willing to enter, then also, because that entrance examination is going to tell where your position is. When you are writing the examination, you will understand what is your ranking in the state. Because as long as you are in the classroom, you are only one among that 20 or 30 or 40 or 50 students. But when you are writing the entrance examination, you are one among all the people in the state. And that entrance examination, the ranking is going to tell your position. But when you are preparing for the exam, there are two things are there. One is the subjective point of view. Subjective point of view, concept point of view. Subjective point of view and concept point of view is one point. Means, in order to go for any application part, first thing is you will have a concept clarity about a particular concept. For example, I am giving one example. There is an example, F is equal to ma is an equation. F is equal to ma is an equation, that is the concept that is basing on the Newton's third law. We will be deriving and we will be understanding the concept. And basing on that concept, we solve n number of problems will be there. Application is there. That is objective. Subjective preparation and the objective preparation. The subjective preparation you will learn, you are going to learn the subject. You are going to learn the concept. That concept you are going to apply it in the problem solving. So this application is very important. In the examination, subjective questions will not be asked. Mostly objective will be asked. So, but without this concept, you can't solve the objective. So, and okay, these two things, there must be very good clarity. The clarity must be there. Crystal clear clarity is required. Then only you can solve the problem. And very, very important. You know the problem. You know how to solve. But you are not able to solve in that time. See, for example, some number of questions are there and a given time is there. The same paper you can solve in 3-4 hours if more time is given to you. But the same paper now you are not in a position to solve in that limited time. So time factor is also one of the important factors. So how you are able to tune yourself into that time, that comes with your practice. Time is also an important factor. So speed is required, to be accurate is required, to be good at numericals is required. These are all the different skills that are required. And you must be in a position to read the question paper in a short time and understand it. Means your reading skills are required. All these skills put together, your concept clarity, all these skills put together at the same time, then you are writing the exam. With a broad view you are writing the exam. And the examination is not separate for maths, physics and chemistry. 3 subjects are not conducted. Separate exams are not conducted. In the same paper you will have all the subjects. So my dear friends, you must have the habit of a continuous and a regular preparation. It's very important. In that regular preparation, you must try to follow your notes. You have to write the notes. Whenever you are listening to a class, not simply listening to the class doesn't work. You must write the notes. For example, you have written the notes, you have listened to the class and you have written the notes. That also is not sufficient. Because once you have written the notes, you are not perfect. Again and again, repeatedly you have to read your notes. Again and again, repeatedly you have to read your notes and you have to digest that point. You have to understand it and you have to try to explain to somebody else. Then in that process, regularly, because you are going through it regularly, that point will be digested for you. And repetition is an important thing. Otherwise you forget. And after the concept is very clear for you, next you have to solve number of problems. For that, different standard books are there. You can follow different standard books. We will be discussing in this Polytechnic entrance examination preparation, we will be discussing some of the standard books will be discussed by us among all the 3 subjects, maths, physics and chemistry. So my dear friends, this is a process which goes. So in this process, first the most important thing is there must be a will for you, that I must give my best preparation. I must use my best time in this preparation, in the process of preparation. And whenever you are going to solve the problem, immediately you should not open and just see the solution immediately. No, you should try to solve by yourself. In that process, you are going to struggle. That struggle is important. After struggling, we are going to give the question papers. We are going to conduct the mock tests. We are going to discuss the subjective. We are going to discuss the objective. We are going to conduct the mock test. In that mock test, you will be writing an examination, evaluating yourself. The next day, we will be discussing the answer paper. All these things, it is a process. So my dear friends, I request all of you to see that you are having a strong will to start for the preparation. Preparation is a very important thing. Training is important. You may be very intelligent. Only intelligence doesn't work. Along with the intelligence, there must be a training. If both the things are happening, then the success rate is going to increase. So my dear friends, I request all of you, you can have maintain the notebooks, and you can get the standard reference books, and this entrance examination is going to be useful. Tomorrow you want to become a police officer. This examination is going to be useful because the same syllabus will be there in that also. Maths is a common thing. Maths and science are common entrance examination for anything. You want to write the banking, this is useful. You want to write tomorrow's any kind of entrance examination. This preparation is not going to waste your time. It is definitely going to be useful thing for all the children. This can be done both for Telugu medium and also English medium. Telugu medium పిల్లలు కూడా దీన్ని ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వచ్చు. తెలుగు మీడియం పిల్లలు కూడా ఈ వీడియోస్ చూడొచ్చు, ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఎక్కడైనా ఒక పదం అర్థం కాకపోతే అర్థం కాలేదన్న విషయాన్ని ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయొచ్చు. Today we are having a wonderful platform. That is technology is there. We can use the technology. So here తెలుగు మీడియం పిల్లలు అయితే రెండు నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. ఒకటి సబ్జెక్ట్ నేర్చుకోవచ్చు, రెండు లాంగ్వేజ్ నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. రెండింటికి అది ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. So you can listen, you can learn. We are going to discuss mostly we'll be discussing in English. Sometime basing on the requirement we'll be even talking in between even Telugu also. So I request all of you, please try to support this program and try to continue the journey with us. Thank you very much.